Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2011 Kawasaki Vaquero. This bike is 1700 cc's of gorgeous street glide styling. Twin cylinder V-twin 1700, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got an awesome intake and a fantastic sounding performance exhaust. Wait till you hear it. Cruise control, stereo system. This bike is an awesome power cruiser with integrated hard case saddlebags. Only 19,300 miles, $99.99. Come by, check it out. Make your dreams come true with this beautiful Vaquero cruiser. 6-speed transmission. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful used bikes in stock.